Thank you, Mak Ifatul, for very insightful presentation. Now we'd like to invite the third presenters, Muhammad Faizi Hassan and Diana Monita. So the presentation would be represented by Muhammad Faizi Hassan. The floor is yours.
Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ferry Hassan. I'm student in Islamic Education UIN Sunan Kalijaga. Okay, as you know that today artificial intelligence increased very fast. Many sectors using artificial intelligence, business, education, and many others. Especially in education, many students, especially at the university, using the AI. Artificial intelligence, especially chatbot, such as ChatGPT, Cloud, Gemini, and many others, always used by the student to make the task, to ask something, and many others. That's why I researched this theme. Next, please. Okay, I researched using a mixed method approach. Yeah, combined between qualitative approach and quantitative approach. Qualitative approach, I collect to get information how they interpretation or their opinion about the artificial intelligence, especially at chatbot. And quantitative method I using for the get information about the data, how often they use artificial intelligence and many others. Okay, the subject of my research is college student in Yogyakarta, some university, and I have a random sampling. I collect with questionnaire, interview, and observation. I forget to. Okay. I using analyzing by data analyze, content analyze for the qualitative, and I using descriptive analyze and using path analysis analyze from the quantitative research. Next, please. Okay, in the result, first, types and frequency of use of AI chatbot. Okay, according to the data, I have some results. Okay, majority of the student in university, 15% using ChatGPT for the chatbot artificial intelligence, and then 20% using Gemini, and 10% using Cloud, 15% using Bing, and 5% others. It's the result. According to this data, we know that using ChatGPT still top of the chatbot artificial intelligence from the student in university. Next, please. Okay, the second result, the impact of AI chatbot on task completion duration. Okay, according to the data, the average task completion duration for AI chatbot user is in 60 minutes. The average task completion duration for non-user of AI chatbot is 75 minutes. This significant difference in task completion duration 50 minutes indicate that AI chatbot play a role in increasing the efficiency of student learning process. Okay, according to the data, so that using artificial intelligence, especially chatbot like ChatGPT and many others, can make our task faster than then we don't use AI chatbot. Next, please. Okay. Okay, the impact of AI chatbot, task complication, comprehension accuracy. This is the result. Okay, it's so that chatbot make impact, yeah, to task complication accuracy. Next, please. Okay, this is the student perception. Okay, as you know that everything include the artificial intelligence chatbot have negative and positive, yeah, impact. It is the result I get from the participant or student, positive and negative. First, okay, according the perception student, first the positive is helping to answer question. Many students ask to chatbot like ChatGPT and others about the task, a question, what is this, how, why, and many others. And it is help from the to student. The second is helping with practice exercise. As you know that chatbot is very good to interaction with us, but without emotion. But if we want to make practice such writing or make a discussion, it's assist to us. And then helping to complete assignment. Yeah, complete assignment is something like write the task and many others. For the negative, first is excessive dependence. Yeah, many students tell to me that it's make we dependence on AI, and that's why we don't terbiasa untuk berpikir secara kritis, secara logik sendiri. And then potential for cheating, as you know that many task paper using by ChatGPT, it's umum lah, rahasia umum. And then capability of limitation. I think the third of negative. Next, please. Okay. Overall, AI chatbot can enhance academic performance if used wisely. They can make learning more effective and efficient, improve subject comprehension. Okay. Key recommendations include: first, student use chatbot as learning aids, not substitutes. Be continuous with their for use assignment to gain understanding. For instructor, guide student on efficiency and responsibility chatbot use. For education institution, develop policies ensuring AI technology enhance, not replace traditional education method. For the research is needed to explore AI chatbot potential and develop clearer guidelines for their use in education. Next, please. Okay, my conclusion is the research findings show that students use various types of AI chatbot for various purposes in the learning process. The use of AI chatbot is proven to influence the duration of task accomplishment and the accuracy of task result, and many others. Okay, I think enough for me. Thank you.